Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday here from Up to the School of Shoemaking, where we take non-techie how to improve their craft. In this video today, I want to show you how I was able to get all this after how this was marked out. The upper layer of this was made, stitched and completely assembled together. That's what I will be showing you in this video. So you want to see how we're able to make all this upper layer stitched together, then this for me is. So let's go now and put all this together. Come see how I will be putting all this together in my private studio in here. Part of leather is good, and then I just mark it out. Having been the last thing I'm gonna mark in here right now. Okay, you come in here to cut it out. Good to go. So coming up in here, I need to mark this out. What we're going to be doing is going to mark it out to put a relative space around it. Yes, don't need to mark any details in there. I have to mark it out this way. No spacing for this. This, okay, so the pieces straight to the bin. So we have this right now. So right now we're done with the inner and the main material. What we're going to be doing right now, I'm going to come with me now as we're going to proceed to the machine to see how I'm going to be connecting, joining it together. A pencil is good. If you have a pencil, yes, it can do the same thing. What you just want is something that will not really show too much. That is what we need in here. So we've been able to mark this. So whenever I come in here to trace these stitching lines like this, it's very clear. And when it comes time for me to take off this SS, the SS I had up to this, it's now very clear to me. And when I want to trace my stitching line, it's also clear. So I'm going to repeat that to every other thing I have in here. Foot. Okay. Then come round the stitch around it too. Okay, done with this. After getting this out, the next thing I'm going to do now is to come back here. I'm going to come back here again. Okay, I will then come in here and decide to go back again. Put it this way and walk. Okay, done with this. Okay, done with this, reversing that, come back, and do the same thing like this. Okay, done with it, and this is what I have. In here, you can see. And now we got this out. This is out now. So at this point, we're done with the stitching. The next thing to do is to get our sew ready. So starting with that, we will be using a pre-made sew. Here is the pre-made sew we'll be using. Here are the other material we're going to be using to make up the sew, and the remaining leather of a hopper. Okay, to start with, the first thing we're going to be doing is to first get the shape of our last out. Okay, right now here it says we've gotten the base of the last. We've gotten the base of the last out. So after we've gotten the base, we then come in here with this. Come to cut this out. This is out right now. So what we'll be doing now is to just come in here and pick this. We'll come to do this, glue it to this. When I get it glued to this, and I do this like this. Okay, this done, I can pick a knife to cut this out. Then come in here. Just pick this. Okay. Go around, and this is out. Cover the whole thing up inside. That is going to lead us to this. Using one of this right now. So to do that, we'll be using this same pattern. This is what we're still going to use, but we'll be trimming this down. So to do that, we come here. Now and remark it. After we get it remarked, then pick scissors. Then come this way. I'm going to reduce it a bit. I'm going to reduce it a bit, just like this. Reduce it a bit like this. We're reducing because we're going to install something at the edge round. Okay? Reduce. So here is what we're going to be. So we come in here. Okay? We use this. We come in here to cut this out. We're going to cut this out with this. We're going to gum into this. Yes. Will it be enough like this? No, it's not going to be enough that way. And then come in here this way. Okay, it's going to be enough this way. Wow, there's a dent in here, but that's not an issue. You can fix it this way. So what I'm going to be doing now is now to come here, mark this out. I'm going to mark it out this way, and then wait for this to dry a bit while it dry, and then come to drop it on it this way. Come like this. To do that, we pick this from here down to here. It's gonna be 19. Multiplying that by 2, that is 39. So we need 39. When cutting yours, can you use a straight line, parallel straight line? I have to use this because this is the last material we have for this. So if you have enough material, just cut a parallel straight line. I'm going to start from this point, like this, having it this way. This is what it's going to do for us. We'll then pick this now and go and stitch. We're done with this. Okay. Done with this. So it's balance. Balance, so you can go test it out if it's comfortable in the insole. Come in here right now. Here, it's been stitched round, balance. I can then come in here to test if it's gonna work. You can see if we have our last in here right now, it's gonna balance. Look at the way our last is sitting and guiding. This being representing our foot. Look at the way it's guiding through, guiding the foot both at the back and at the side in there. This is the essence of what we did. It's meant to guide the foot, protect it, and make it sit comfortable. Okay, we're done with it. We have our insole, we have our midsole, and we have the last sole. Thank you so much for watching this time. Hope you like what you've seen. If you like it, give us a thumbs up for it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. While you subscribe, click on the notification bell for you to get an update on our subsequent upload of the remaining episode of this project. Don't forget, I will focus of this on our platform, and there's a link in the description of this video. Go in there. This is going to navigate you to where you can have a wonderful crafting experience. I'm Sunday Oyewale, and look forward to see you in my next film.